Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can use Microsoft Teams in mobile or smartphone or iPhone. It doesn't matter really what you got. So let's start. The first thing I really recommend is enable dark mode. So go to left top corner and then go to settings and enable dark theme. The app needs to restart, but it's much better and it's easier to look like mostly also at night. If you want to work at night or like do whatever in this application. Now here you just want to click on your application and then again go to settings. And I recommend changing the profile picture to something else like edit image, and then changing name if you want to, the display name. Now even go further, you can change the status from available to busy or off work if you want to. Then you're gonna see like the notifications if you want to not people have it to notificate you and like write you up. Then you're gonna see settings here, and you can change like literally everything like data and storage, messaging, but there is not so much to edit honestly. When you have the activity, then you can also like invite people if you want to, and you just invite edit email address and that you got it. In the second point is a chat. In chat you can like easily write to someone when you're gonna press the button on or right down corner, and you just write here the name that you want, like who you want to write, like this, and you just write him. And voila, here we got the message. You can also share files and everything if you want to. It's like pretty simple. Now to go even further, then you can go to Teams and you can actually create your own team, or like, I don't know, join someone team. Team name, description, and you can change the privacy. When you have the team, you can simply click on the team, and here you got manage members that you can actually invite someone, and then you can create owner out of the member. Then you have option to manage tags. It's like not really necessary to do that. Manage channels, right? And then you're gonna see you can pin channel, you can edit channel, delete channel, or add a new channel. Like this, like channel under the theme that you got. And then you can like leave theme, edit theme, and delete theme. So this is how you manage the themes in Microsoft Teams. Then you're gonna see like the meetings here. And in meetings is like also really simple. You just create a meeting all day. And then I got it here, and I got like meeting options. Yeah, so and now I'm going to see all the, like this is today in half an hour, and I can see all my meetings that I got prepared. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Then you get like more here that you can like files, saved, or camera, but it's like not that important. These things I showed you are the most important thing in a application. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.